I'm gonna open
So hi, boys and girls.
Hi.
Hi, boys and girls. Hi, boys and girls.
Hi. Okay.
Hi, boys and girls.
Hi, boys and girls. Today I'm gonna open this today.
Who are we opening today? Hot Wheel
Serves up.
Surfs Up.
He teared some of it before the video started.
That's alright.
There he is.
And that's what he looks like.
Can I see it? Let me show it to the fans.
Show the back.
Very, very cool.
It's actually a surfboard on water with wheels. Oh, his feet come off. Want to do your next one?
He comes off.
Yeah.
I'll put the back on.
Can you put it back? Oh, I did it! So, yes.
It is backwards.
He is backwards. Here, Logan, you can fix it.
There.
What are you opening now? You gotta tell them what you're opening.
Just need to tell
Tortushell.
His name is... His last
Hot
name is
Wheel
Tortushell.
Tortushell. He
last
is new for 2021. He is a new one. Bass for Tracks. He is 5 of 5, so there's a collection. It doesn't show, okay? So there he is.
I can use that.
All right, can we show it to our fans, please?
Beep, beep.
All right,
Yeah,
guys, so
for
that's
me, that one.
Tortushell. Does he do anything?
No.
No, he just goes on the tracks. Okay, so he's good for
That's
tracks.
That's why he said good for tracks.
Okay. All right, Logan, and what you got? Bakugan.
Battle Planet.
Battle Planet. And that is Aquos Phaedrus?
Aquaphadros.
Phaedrus. All right, you're going to open that?
It's hard. Put a hole in it.
Oh, it comes with a card.
And he comes with all the stuff he needs.
Okay, so what do we got?
And how do you take that?
So we'll take it off.
I will, Mom.
It comes with some cards and some point stuff. We'll see. Let's
We
see.
need scissors.
We need scissors? Let me see.
He looks like. Let's see
All right, so
how.
what do you do?
I'm gonna try and see how he turns into a ball. Oh, the first steps have to be these. And I think it's hard since it's my very first one.
There's directions right here. So let me show them.
So, this is what it looks like.
That's what it looks like.
This is what it
Action.
looks like.
And those are the collection. It comes with
Where's it goes? This is what it looks like.
Goreen, Killian,
Where's it
Tertonium,
goes? Where's it goes? Where's it goes?
Garivian. And that's how you do it. There's directions right there, I guess. Oh no, there isn't. That's just showing you that how they open.
Where's it goes? So, this is what it looks like.
I don't know how to. Did you figure it out?
Where's it goes?
I figured out some of it, but it keeps opening up.
You got it.
So,
I can't.
where's it goes? This is what it looks like.
Oh, very cool. That's
This
what
is
it
what
looks.
his
Hi,
looks
Sassy.
like. This is what his looks like.
Oh, very cool.
Oh, his tail has to bend in.
They got a snatch somewhere. That one.
Mommy, can you restart?
Restart what?
Restart building it.
I'm trying. So that goes in there. Make sure the camera is on the ball, okay? Not on me. The camera needs to show the Bakugan. I think this is supposed to go backwards.
Let's zoom in.
Let's take it off on this side.
We're taking a zoom in, Mom.
Oh, this could not take off. This could take off.
This
Look,
is hard.
even though you're far, it makes us zoom in. Let's see closer.
This is very hard. We might have to see. There is no directions on how to photo. I think you just do this, right? And then you throw it. No?
Yeah, you have to throw it and it opens up.
And then it opens up.
But you have to throw it. Sometimes when it's your very first one, you have a hard time.
Yeah. I've never done this before, so I don't know. We have to figure it out. But I know you move his leg back like this. Like maybe the head needs to go first. All right, this is really hard. Okay, guys, here.
But it was like off.
You guys are dancing with the camera. All right, we're gonna have to figure it out later, boys and girls. But as soon as we do, we'll make a video throwing it, yes?
Yes.
So thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Bye and stay tuned.
Bye.
Bye, Dad. Stay tuned.